Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thirsty Thursday. Yeah, we'll leave it that. An update. I'm still in a pseudo weird Facebook jail. This is day 2. I can post on my own personal profile, but I can't share anything or directly post anything in Casual Chef's Kitchen or my other group, Garage Studio Entertainment. I honestly don't know what I did. So I'm using my alternative profile to be able to post in Casual Chef's Kitchen. Yeah. All right, enough of that. Last night, I prepared spanakopita, which is a Greek spinach pie. Like I mentioned yesterday, this is a little different than I've done before because this one used phyllo dough instead of puff pastry. Phyllo dough can be a little tricky, fickle thing, but I'm learning how to use it and work with it. It's fun. So it was yummy. It was yummy, and as you can see from some photos from last night, I dressed it up with a little bit of sour cream and some salsa, just because it's fun. Today I get to do wok day. You know me and my wok. I love it. Today is pork lo mein. Let's get to it. Got the hardware out. Got the wok. And a Dutch oven for the noodles. Using a pork tenderloin, I'll be using about half of this. The other half will go into the really cold box to be used later. Garlic, I'm using baby bok choy. It calls for like Napa cabbages, but I just wanted to go this way. Red bell pepper, yellow onion, which will be diced. There'll be some green onions that will be thinly diced and cut, and I'm using bag o carrot matchsticks. The marinade basically is soy sauce and blah 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 blah. But basically the sauce, it's because there's two parts. There's a marinade and then there's a sauce. Basically what's involved here is soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine or rice wine, rice vinegar, sesame oil, good old ginger, a little bit of cornstarch for thickening, some oil for the wok, and I went to Super X on Saturday and bought some thick rice noodles. So I'm not using all of these, but I didn't go to Super X. I take that back. I went to it's a really small market. Again, it's in Linda, but it's on Feather River Boulevard. They have a great selection of noodles. So here's the fixings for today's pork lo mein. Today it's going to be kind of fun. I'm still working on next week's menu. So on this Thursday, this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.